Ever felt like your service business is drowning in a sea of spreadsheets and disconnected software? You're not alone. Many contractors struggle to keep track of everything from scheduling and dispatch to inventory and invoicing. That's where platforms like ServiceTitan come in. But is ServiceTitan truly an enterprise resource planning ERP system? Let's dive in. Now, you might be thinking, what's the big deal about whether it's an ERP or not? Well, understanding what ServiceTitan actually is helps you determine if it's the right fit for your specific needs. ERPs are known for their broad scope, integrating all aspects of a business into one centralized system. Think of it as the command center for your entire operation. On the other hand, some might argue that ServiceTitan is more of a customer relationship management (CRM) system with strong field service management capabilities. It excels at managing customer interactions, scheduling jobs, and tracking technician performance. But does it truly encompass all the facets of an ERP, such as manufacturing, supply chain management, and advanced financial reporting? That's the question we'll be answering today. What is an ERP system? Before we label ServiceTitan, let's quickly define what an ERP system actually is. At its core, an ERP system is a suite of integrated applications that automate many of the back-office functions associated with running a business. These functions can include financial management, accounting, accounts receivable, accounts payable, budgeting, forecasting, human resources, payroll, benefits administration, time and attendance tracking, supply chain management, procurement, inventory management, production planning, customer relationship management, CRM, sales, marketing, customer service, project management, planning, scheduling, resource allocation. Essentially, an ERP aims to provide a single source of truth for all your business data, streamlining operations and improving efficiency. ServiceTitan's core functionality. Now, let's take a closer look at what ServiceTitan actually offers. While it's a powerful platform, its core strengths lie in scheduling and dispatch, streamlined job scheduling, real-time dispatching, automated route optimization, and mobile access for technicians. Customer relationship management, customer database management, communication tools, text, email, phone, customer portal, and marketing automation, field service management, job costing, inventory management, work order creation, and real-time job tracking. Payments and invoicing, online payments, automated invoicing, and payment processing integration. Reporting and analytics, customizable dashboards, key performance indicators, KPIs, and business intelligence reports. ServiceTitan excels at managing the day-to-day operations of a field service business. From booking appointments to getting paid, ServiceTitan's limitations. However, when compared to a full-fledged ERP, ServiceTitan has some limitations. Limited manufacturing capabilities. While it can track inventory, ServiceTitan doesn't have deep integrations with manufacturing processes, such as production planning and materials requirement planning. Basic HR and payroll. ServiceTitan offers some basic HR features, but it's not a comprehensive solution for managing employee records, payroll, and benefits. Limited supply chain management. While inventory management is a key feature, ServiceTitan's supply chain management capabilities are relatively basic. It may not be sufficient for businesses with complex supply chains. Advanced financial reporting. While it provides basic financial reports, ServiceTitan may not be able to handle the complex financial reporting requirements of larger enterprises. These limitations highlight that ServiceTitan is primarily a field service management platform with strong CRM capabilities. Rather than a comprehensive ERP, is ServiceTitan an ERP? So, the million-dollar question, is ServiceTitan an ERP? The short answer is no. While it offers some ERP-like functionalities, such as inventory management and basic financial reporting, ServiceTitan's primary focus is on managing field service operations. It excels at streamlining customer interactions, scheduling jobs, and improving technician productivity. However, ServiceTitan can be a valuable component of an ERP ecosystem. You can integrate ServiceTitan with other software solutions to fill in the gaps. For example, you could integrate it with an accounting software like QuickBooks for more robust financial reporting, or with a dedicated HR and payroll system. Ultimately, the best way to determine if ServiceTitan is the right fit for your business is to carefully evaluate your specific needs and compare it to other options available in the market. Alternatives to consider. If you're looking for a true ERP solution for your service business, you might want to consider alternatives such as SAP Business by Design, a cloud-based ERP specifically designed for small and mid-sized businesses, offering a comprehensive suite of business management functionalities. Microsoft Dynamics 365, a modular ERP system that can be customized to meet the specific needs of different industries, including field service. NetSuite, a cloud-based ERP system known for its strong financial management capabilities and robust e-commerce features. These alternatives offer more comprehensive ERP functionalities, but they may also be more complex and expensive than ServiceTitan. Making the right choice. Choosing the right software solution for your business is a critical decision. It's essential to assess your specific business needs, identify the key challenges you're facing and the functionalities you require from a software solution. Research your options. Explore the different software options available in the market, including ERPs, field service management platforms, and CRM systems. Compare features and pricing. Carefully compare the features, pricing, and customer support offered by different vendors. Consider your budget and future growth. Choose a solution that fits your current budget and can scale as your business grows. Seek professional advice. Consult with an IT consultant or a software advisor to help you make an informed decision. By carefully considering these factors, you can choose the best software solution to streamline your operations, improve efficiency, and drive growth for your service business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.